Y'all, welcome back to another episode of Cooking Easy with Feezy. And today I'll be making clay pot casserole. Okay, so I got one piece of ginger here. There's a tip. Use a spoon and peel ginger. It's easier. Just square it off. So all the julienne slices will be all even. Those thin strands like that. Okay. So you want like sticks about this big. Okay. Next, okay, we got here pork sausage. Cured Chinese pork sausage. Just cut into the bias. Chicken sausage. This one's the cured chicken one. Chicken and pork. It's lighter in color. I don't even see that, but yeah, see? You slice it, that's how they look. Okay? Okay, that's that. Okay, here I have a clay pot, and I got 2 cups of rice. We're gonna wash it, and then we're gonna put it on the stove. Okay, guys. Okay, now we're gonna wash the rice. Do it about 3 times until the water is not murky anymore. Okay, that's the final one. Okay, for 2 cups of rice, this is all the water that you're gonna need. Okay, it's about an index. It's about an index finger deep. For 2 cups of rice, that's all you need. Now we're gonna close the lid and set it on high. Now we're gonna make the sauce for the clay pot rice casserole. About a tablespoon of oyster sauce. Tablespoon, not much, that's good. A tablespoon of soy sauce. Yep. Half a teaspoon of sesame oil. That's good. Good. Now we stir it up, and we're gonna pour it over the rice just before it's done cooking. Okay. Okay, so once the water starts boiling like that, we're gonna blanch some bok choy here. I have some washed bok choy, and I'm gonna blanch it. You serve it as a side dish with the casserole after. There you go. Oh yeah, it's cooking. Okay, once the water has reduced a lot, until you see the grains of rice, now we're gonna sauce it up. Some of this sauce onto the rice. Oh yeah, look at that. It's gonna be good. Okay, all right. Then layer your meats in. Just layer it in. Throw it in there. Layer it up in there. Ooh, that looks delicious. Ginger. Just throw some ginger on there. Some green onions up there. Just gently around. Oh my god. Okay. Let's cover it. Let it finish cooking. Hey guys, after the bok choy starts boiling like this, just turn off the heat. Just take it out. Okay, with the water, do not throw away the water. I'm gonna take this water and turn it into soup. Fish sauce. Some MSG. A pinch. About a tablespoon of sugar. Just like that. A little bit of salt. Handful of green onions, and then you have yourself a simple soup to eat with your casserole. Okay? Okay, once it's smoking up like this, that means it's done. Ooh, check that out. That is done, guys. Okay, let's take it off the heat now.
It's juicy.